Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha Wolverine X2. We've just installed the full cab kit on it from Yamaha, as well as the full glass windshield from Yamaha. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it came together. This is again the Yamaha full glass windshield with the wiper and washer fluid kit, followed up with the soft side doors from Yamaha. Of course, that is the stock Yamaha top that comes on it, and the back window from Yamaha. You do have the ability to unzip the windows and roll it up and tuck it up out of the way, just like an old Jeep. Nice look of the inside there. And on the back, you have the ability to do the same. You're gonna unzip that, roll it up. There's some Velcro or some button snaps up here to secure that back window up out of the way, and same on the passenger side. If you guys have installed the soft cab kit on your machine, one thing I do recommend, the first time you wash the machine, get all of this black portion nice and wet, just really soggy. Pull all the straps tight and take it outside and put it in the sunlight and let it dry tight like a drum. It'll give you a lot better visibility out of the sides. It looks awesome on the machine. The functionality is well with that soft cab kit. We love the Yamaha Wolverine here at Big Pine Sports. It's got the best warranty in the business. Good looks, good power, super quiet inside. This one is going to duck. Enjoy, you guys. Have a great night, everybody.